word of the day down there in the comments. Hurry up. It sounds like a quest that was done, but it was done improperly, and then it needed to be done again. Well, Link, it looks like you did your best, but you didn't succeed, so we're gonna have to send you on this quest again. A request is from one person to another usually, and you know, like a DJ, I have a request, I want you to put this song on, but it also implies that the request could be denied. There's some implications to hierarchy that we don't often talk about. Big dirt, big buck, big dirt, making more dirt happen. I would like to request that drivers keep a gap between them and the car in front of them. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Eggs, bacon, sausage, and your choice of hash browns or pancakes. Someone whose job is to crash a lot. What do you do for a living? Oh, I'm a recklist. You got your stunt drivers, they're performing the stunts and trying to succeed, but we don't always want them to succeed, so that's where I come in. I'm a recklist. You need a car to jump off a cliff and tumble 100 feet down a ravine and then blow up? That's where I come in. I'm a recklist. I'm a stunt triple. You see, a recklist has been doing that job for 30 years. He's got so many scars. I've been a recklist for 45 years. This scar here is from a truck. This one's from a motorcycle. This one's from the time when I had to ride a kangaroo into a battle against an elephant. But the scariest place I've ever been is on the freeway. And I'm proud to be a recklist. I'm the only one that's lived this long. We are the elves of Request. Look yonder, it's the riders of Request. They've come to rescue us in our time of need.